Good morning, myself Santosh Yadav and I welcome to all of you in physics lecture of class 12. Today our topic is cases of mirror, that is for real object and for virtual object how image is formed in different position like that. So first of all we discuss here for mirror, that is concave mirror. This is a pole, okay? Listen, one thing, some point you have to remember that if V is greater than U, then image will be large and vice versa. If V is greater than U, image will be large and vice versa. Okay? If U is large, then image will be small. It's mean. If V is positive, real image, V negative, real image, U negative, real image, real object, V positive, virtual image. U positive, virtual object. Same sign of V and U, inverted image. Same sign, inverted image. Opposite sign, of V and U, erect image. Note it down, very important points. If V is greater than U, image will be large and vice versa. That is, if U is greater than V, image will be small. If V is negative, real image, U is negative, real object, V is positive, virtual image, U is positive, virtual object. If sign of V and U are same, then image will formed as inverted. And if sign of V and U are opposite, then image will be erect. These points are applicable for mirrors. Note down, very important points. These points are applicable for mirror. Can I run this one? Here we write object, image and nature. First of all, we will discuss when object is real. When object is real. So for real object, when object is at infinity, that is minus infinity, this is the focus of lens, and this is 2f. 2f or radius of curvature. Focus and radius of curvature is 2 times of focus, we can say here. Okay. If object is at minus infinity, then image will form as focus. That is minus f, because the focal length of the concave mirror is negative. I means V, O means U. As V is negative, it means real focus, a real image. Okay. And infinity is very large as compared to focus. So image is very small, that is diminished image. Diminished. As we have discussed earlier that if sine of u and v is same, it means inverted image. But in case of focus, you can say that because as compared to infinity, focus is very small, negligible. So this is point object. So you should not written as inverted image, but you should write here point image. Okay. When object is at minus infinity, image will form at minus focus. Real dimness, that is point image, will form at the focus. Now we move on. When O equal to, object move from minus infinity to 2f. Here object is minus infinity, stay here. So object move minus infinity to focus. This is the first diagram. So I'll take another chalk for image. So image will go focus to 2f. As we know, at the center of curvature, image will be inverted and same size. So size of object and size of image will be same here. So as object move from minus infinity to center of curvature, see, then image will go from focus to 2f. So image will go from focus to 2f. So this is the first image. You can say if image is if object is going minus infinity to 2f, then image will go focus to 2f. So first object, first image here after focus. So V, I is negative here, so real. As we have discussed earlier that if U and V are negative, then object and image are real. So image is real and U is very large as compared to V. So small image, smaller, and side of both object and image is same. Okay, so inverted image. Clear? Listen, inverted image. From this point image, then side of image increasing, and at 2f side of image will be as side of object. Now we further move 2f to f. 2f to f. That is, this is second diagram for object. So image will go from 2f to infinity. Okay, this is minus infinity. 2f to and minus infinity. Object go from 2f to f. Image will go from 2f to infinity. 2f to infinity. Okay? Its mean, what can we write here? Minus infinity to 2f. Object move smaller than image, so image is large here. So large image real, V is negative, and sign of u and v are same, so inverted. And this is a very critical point. Just before f, image is at minus infinity, and just after focus, image will go plus infinity. This is the case of asymptote. We have earlier discussed in the class lecture. So I rub this point here. Minus infinity to, say here, plus infinity. Before f, image is at minus infinity, and just after f, image just jump off at plus infinity. This is the case of asymptote. So, if object object goes from f to pole, as object move from focus to pole, that is this one, then image will go plus infinity to pole. I this is the third diagram. As object move from focus to pole, image move from plus infinity to pole. Okay. So we can write here, object move from focus to pole, image will move from infinity to pole.